particular pentagon, and for that I'm going to use hatch from this draw toolbar. So here we have hatch option. So when you click on this drop down, so there are three different options: hatch, gradient, and boundary. Out of this, select hatch. So first thing that we have to do is we have to select the hatch pattern, and commonly used hatch pattern is NC31. So you just click on that pattern. So I selected the pattern NC31. Then here towards right side, we have the properties of this particular pattern. Likewise, this first row is a hatch type. As we want a pattern, so keep it as a pattern. Don't select gradient or solid. So I keep pattern as it is. Then this second row is about the hatch color. So we have to use red color for the hatch. So select index color red over here. And this is the background color of hatching. We don't want any background color, so keep it as a none. So now you can see the command line. So hatch, pick internal point or select objects. So first we use this pick internal point option. So we have this solid. So when I click inside this solid, so hatching pattern will get created. So this is the use of this pick internal point option. Now many times there may be possibility that this single pattern or single solid may be divided into different parts because of different lines. So in this case, if you select the pick internal point option, then you have to click everywhere, okay, to prepare the pattern like this. So I have to click at least 6 times to complete this pattern. So to avoid this, we can use the other option of the hatching that I'm going to show it over here. So hatch, I selected NC31, use color red, and now instead of pick internal point, I am going to select objects option. So I selected select objects option, and then I click on this object. You can see the entire object is hatched. So in this way, we can use either select objects option or pick internal point option. Suppose I open pick internal point. In that case, I can hatch it by pick internal point. So in this way, we can hatch any object. Then close the hatching. The second command is extend. So below trim, you have extend command. So you just click on the extend, and suppose I want to extend this line up to this object. So click near the end of the line which you have to extend. So you just click over here. So the line is extended over here. If I click near this end, so it will extend to next object. So in this way, we can use the extend command. So extend command is below this trim. Okay, so trim and extend both are together. So you can select as per the requirement. Thank you.